What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so we have a degree of 3. Zeros are -2 and 3 plus 1. 3 plus I. With the conjugate rule, we also have a root that is 3 minus I. Okay? So those are my three zeros. I keep on calling them roots, but they're zeros. So if I look at the factors are going to be x plus 2, right? Because if I was to show this, I would say, okay, I got x equals -2. Bring the 2 over to the other side. I have x plus 2 equals to 0, right? If I did x equals 3 plus I, right? If I bring that over to the other side, I have 3 minus the quantity 3 plus I is equal to 0. And if I take this 3, if I say that x is equal to 3 minus I, then I bring it over that to the other side, I would have x minus the quantity 3 minus I is equal to 0, right? So now I have these as my factors. So let's go ahead and work those out. So I have to do x plus 2 times x minus 3 plus I times x minus 3 minus I, right, to find my equation. So let me do this really, let me do that really quick. Bring this over so I can call this f of x, okay? I'm going to go ahead and work on just this piece right here. I'm going to FOIL that out or double distribute that. So I'm going to have x squared minus x times 3 minus I. Actually, you know what? Let me do it this way. Maybe I should do it this way instead. Here. We'll call this a FOIL session here. So I got this. And since that's in red, I'm going to write it as x squared. Put that in blue. This is that in blue. I'll put in blue, and that would be minus. Oh, what am I doing? I got to do that piece, right? That's the piece I got to do. And since that's in blue, I'll do it in blue. That is going to be negative x times 3 minus I. Then, apparently I forgot how to FOIL, guys. So then I have this here. So since that's in green, that's going to be a minus x times 3 plus I. And then we'll make it pink. That's going to be positive because it's negative times negative, and that's going to be a 3 plus I times a 3 minus I. Okay? All right. So looks like here I got to distribute, here I got to distribute. These are conjugates, so I have to FOIL. All I need to do is flip, right? So let me see here. I should have x squared minus 3 plus xi minus 3. Okay, so this is 3x plus xi, right? And then I got minus 3x minus xi. And then this pink part here that I flew is going to be plus 9 minus I squared. Okay, and don't forget what I squared stands for, right? I squared stands for -1. So if I subtract a -1, that means I'm adding 1. And what do you notice about the xi and the xi? They cancel out. So if I combine like terms, I would have x squared minus 6x, right? These two here cancel out. Okay. And then I'm going to have a plus 10, because that's what this is going to equal to, is a plus 10. All right? Great. Now I can bring that x plus 2 down. And also distribute that through, right? So now I gotta double distribute. So what am I gonna get? When I distribute the x, I'm going to get x to the third minus 6x squared plus 10x. When I distribute the 2 through, I'm going to get a 2x squared minus 12x plus 20. So now I'm going to have f of x is going to equal to x to the third minus 4x squared minus 2x plus 20. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is choice B. And there you go. I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. Later. Bye.